chasing the easy life.
What's up, y'all? Back with another video. As you see in the title, you already know what this video is about to be. So recently, within the last week or so, I've been shopping for Niyah. I got her clothes from the Children's Place, Old Navy, and Walmart. I think that's it. She does like Justice clothes, but I don't like Justice prices, so I rarely shop at Justice. If I do, they gotta be having a real good sale going on, or I'll hit up the clearance rack. Oh, and I grabbed her a couple things from Forever 21. So I'm gonna be doing like a spring summer haul of Niyah's clothes. Here in Florida, it's been 90+ degrees within the last week or so, so it's definitely summer here. Y'all remember in yesterday's vlog, or the day before yesterday, Deja was cleaning out her closet and she was getting rid of some old clothes. A lot of y'all was like, she could have listed clothes on Poshmark, and some of y'all was like, well, she can get them clothes to me. She did give away a lot of her clothes to her friend, and what she didn't give away to her friend, I'm gonna list it on Poshmark. And if you don't know what Poshmark is, it's an app where you can buy or sell new or used clothes, shoes, accessories, and purses. I love to sell on Poshmark just as much as I love buying on Poshmark. And Poshmark have tons of brand name items on the app. They have high-end brand names. I personally like to buy my pink shirts, Victoria's Secret pink shirts off of Poshmark, because it seems like every time I go into the pink store, it seems like they don't have that many t-shirts. So this is the first item that I'm listing on Poshmark. It's Deja's jacket, and it's a little wrinkled, but I'm probably gonna iron it out before I list it on Poshmark. And it's just wrinkled because she had it balled up in a bag. But this is a North Face jacket. It's just a yellow, thin, lightweight jacket. And then she has this Nike jacket in there. It's just black and gray. Then we got two pair of Hollister jeans that both are dark denim. This one is just basic, and this one has rips and tears and holes in them. And I'm listing two pair of my Vans. These black and white ones have never been worn before. These red ones was worn maybe 2 or 3 times. And I'll leave the link down below in the description box so you can download the Poshmark app so you can create your own closet. So I purchased these 2 belts from Walmart. These were $6.94. Yep. Just a basic belt. They did have like some sparkly, colorful type belts, but I just wanted to get her just some basic belts that she can wear with anything. And also from Walmart, I picked her up these bras. And these are the little racer back bras. These were $7 each. Also from Walmart, I picked her up this dress. It's a JoJo Siwa dress, and it was on clearance for $5. So it's cute. It's got the little ruffles on the sleeves, and it got this little satin material down here. Then I picked her up this Mickey and Mickey t-shirt. This was $8. It's cute. She can wear this the next time we go to Disney World. Then I picked her up this little ruffled dress, and this was $7. Just got some cactuses on it. Then I picked her up 3 of these play dresses. They was $4.96 each. These are some dresses that she can just lounge around the house in. So this one just has daisies on it, watermelon, and it's just basic. It's like a tank top, and then yeah, just basic. And then this one here, which I thought was really cute, the rainbows. Like I said, $4.96. That's all from Walmart. Now we're gonna move on to Forever 21. And I picked her up this 90s Barbie shirt. Y'all know she loves Barbie, so this was perfect. And then she picked up this girl power shirt. She really loved the colors in it. Then I picked up 2 of these off the shoulder type shirts. It was $9.90 each. So this is what the white one looks like. And then the yellow one. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to Old Navy, which I only got 1 shirt here, but I picked her up like 4 or 5 outfits from Old Navy, and she already wore them. So this is the 1 shirt that she haven't wore yet from Old Navy. And this was, it says $16.99, but I'm for sure it was $5 or $6. So I got a couple shirts from the Children's Place, and these were $6 each. So I just got her this yellow one with a unicorn on it. This burgundy, which is really pretty. It says, what did it say? Sister Squad with unicorns. And then this one right here, which is also a pretty color. Children's Place always have cute $5 or $6 t-shirts. So that's the end of this haul. Don't forget to download the Poshmark app so you can create your closet or check out my closet. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.